Guangzhou Fenlin Swimming Pool and Sauna Equipment Company Limited specializes in manufacturing fountain, swimming pool, sauna, and spa series products. Through 18 years' experiences development, we have developed our own brand and professional design team, highly efficient production department, experienced installation team, and after-sales service team. The fountain, swimming pool, sauna, and spa products have been widely sold to Mideast, South Africa, Asia, and other countries. We successfully completed many large fountain projects these years, such as in Saudi, Dubai, Algeria, America, Canada, Indonesia, and Russia. Our company adheres to technical innovation, quality-oriented, continuously meeting customer demands. To follow and satisfy the market, we develop any kinds of new fountain, and we also develop new swimming pools, saunas, and spa products every year. In 2021, we set up a new factory focusing on the production of various pool accessories, such as fiberglass sand filter, many other plastic and pool accessories. To control the quality, products will be strictly tested before packing and shipped on time. To provide better service for customers, we have a professional sales team to follow inquiries and phone call among 24 hours. Until now, we have taken part in many Canton Fair and International Fair. More and more customers come to visit our factory every year. We still believe the one who helps himself and other people will be supported by people also. Guangzhou Fenlin, a reliable partner, will be always here for you.